Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. In today's tutorial, we will talk about organizing the app code. So in Node.js, as we had discussed before, that we are coding. Our coding technique is in modular approach. Why we are using modular approach is because it's a bit easier to handle. It's a bit easy to read, and later on, it's easy to manipulate and change the code. So let's go ahead and start creating an entry point of our application. So for creating an application entry point, we created a new app.js file. In the app.js, basically we will run this app.js file towards our project. So for running this app.js file, we should change our server towards module. So for changing this server.js towards module, we must wrap it within the function. So let's say I am going to wrap this all code into the function called start server, and in that function I will wrap all this code, and I'll go and I will make module.exports to use this start server function outside this file as a module. So that's pretty good. Our module is ready for creating a server. Let's go ahead in app.js file and import that one. Crvar server equals to require. Very easy to import all this. It's a bit easier. We had imported our server. Let's begin and start our server. So let's go to our Node terminal and try to run app.js file. As you have seen, sorry, double brackets missing to call the server. Now you can see server is started on port 888. Let's go to our browser, run this server. Let's see, I have message from server. For more verification, I'll go here. I will say like I am message from server module. I had changed it to module. So let's see like it changes or no. Let's break the app and rerun again. Come again here and try to rerun. You can see that I am message from module. That's it for today's tutorial, organizing the code in the application. And now in the next tutorial, we'll talk about routes. So stay tuned. I hope you like our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Goodbye.